You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
A surprising scene unfolded in Newport, Rhode Island, when Special Assistant Attorney General Devin Hogan Flanagan was arrested outside a well-known restaurant. The incident, captured on police body cameras, has quickly drawn widespread attention, not only because of who she is, but also because of the way the encounter played out. According to reports, Newport police were called to Clark Cookhouse, a popular spot on Bannister's Wharf, after restaurant staff complained about an unwanted party. When officers arrived, they found Flanagan and her friend, Veronica Hannon, refusing to leave despite being asked multiple times. The restaurant confirmed to officers that they wanted the women removed and formally trespassed. From the start, the bodycam footage showed tensions running high. Flanagan, who has served as a prosecutor for 7 years in Rhode Island's Attorney General's office, immediately asked officers to turn off their cameras, claiming that citizens could make such a request. The officers, however, declined. Throughout the exchange, they repeatedly tried to de-escalate the situation by telling the women that leaving voluntarily would resolve everything. "Let's go. I don't want to arrest you guys," one officer can be heard saying. But Flanagan pushed back. She identified herself as an assistant attorney general, saying multiple times, "I'm an AG." At one point, she told the officers, "You're not going to arrest us." Later, as the situation escalated, she warned them, "You're going to regret this." Ultimately, both women were handcuffed. Flanagan was charged with willful trespass and issued a summons to appear in court. Her friend Hannon faced additional charges, including disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and trespass. The video even showed Hannon slipping out of handcuffs for a moment and kicking the door of the police cruiser. The arrest has now placed Flanagan under internal review by the Attorney General's office. A spokesperson confirmed her position and years of service, but declined further comment, citing personnel matters. For someone tasked with upholding the law, the situation has raised questions about judgment, accountability, and the pressures of public service. The video ends on a striking moment. Flanagan being placed in the back of a police vehicle, trying once more to emphasize her role by saying, "I'm an A," before the car door closed and cut her off mid-sentence. What remains unclear is how the confrontation with the restaurant began, and why the women refused to leave. But what is clear is that the incident, and Flanagan's own words during it, will follow her far beyond that night in Newport. The case now moves into the court system, while the Attorney General's office weighs its next steps regarding one of its own prosecutors. Stay subscribed for more videos.